The Northwest School Athletics program empowers students to develop their skills, build resilience, and excel in competitive settings. As a Northwest athlete, you can choose from several sport options, including ultimate, cross-country, basketball, volleyball, track and field, and soccer. Our dedicated team of athletic faculty and coaches are here to support you every step of the way. Our athletics program has a rich history of league, tournament, district, and state championships. Each of our sports has teams at multiple levels, so there is a place for every student in our program to have a great experience. We are also a no-cut school, which means that every student who wants to participate is encouraged and supported. We emphasize participation and excellence. Every student is able to develop and flourish through dedication, teamwork, and accountability. Many students who start as total beginners in 6th grade become varsity level athletes by the time they graduate. Athletic participation at Northwest is one of the most formative aspects of a student's time here. Northwest athletes carry those experiences and memories with them long after they graduate.